So how can you use quick share on the Samsung phone? Let me show it to you practically and how it works. If you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So you need to have a supported device, so you need to have a fairly recent Samsung phone, but you can see now we can use it. So for example, a good example for it would be like the photo individual one you want to send over. For example, this one, whenever you want to share it over the quick share, you just tap on the share button like so, and you should be able to get the sharing options. And literally for me, the first one is the quick share. So this is the logo, the blue icon with the arrows. So this is what you can use, but you can also slide all the way to the right, tap on more, and perhaps find it in the list in here in the grid if you don't see it right away. But for me, I did see it, so yeah, you should be able to find it as well. So you just click on quick share, and the way that it works is that it works between the Samsung devices or Android phones, right? So if you have like iPhone nearby, it's not gonna work. You need to have some sort of Android phone, like I have this Galaxy Fold, an older model, but you would get the job done. Right, so it searches for devices nearby. So if you have a nearby device, you need to look up the control center in here and make sure you enable the quick share, right? So as you can see on my other phone, I need to make sure it is turned on. So I just enable the quick share and it is now ready to receive. So the other device should be able to find it. You know, they should be able to recognize each other, and then they would be able to kind of like share the file. So if it doesn't work, I'm going to come back, click on share, and I do it once again. And using the quick share, as I say, the devices should recognize each other. If it's still not working, even though in most cases it would, right, you can also click on the QR code or link, and when you generated this, you'll have the ability to scan it on the other device. So right now, if the first option failed, I'm going to grab the other Android phone, open up the camera, and literally scan the code. Right, so I'm going to tap on the link, and the quick share is now going to get started. It is going to be transferred. Everything is supposed to work fine, so we need to perhaps give it some time, and then now the photo is being shared to the other device. So yeah, that is how it works. Sometimes it is much smoother than what you see live right now as I'm doing it, but that's the point of my videos. I just want to show it to you practically how it works, you know, no fluff, just show it to you in real time how I do it. But as you can see, you can click on open like so, and then now I have successfully shared the image from one phone to another. And obviously it doesn't apply to just image, it can be anything else, right? And as I said, now if I click on share, you could notice that part of the quick share, we already have the Samsung phone recognized in here. So as I say, it is going to be much quicker, and at this point, once you establish the first connection, it should be much more seamless. But that's it. That's how you can use quick share on your Samsung phone. And let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the future videos.